How to fold a jacket or coat for travel. Traveling with coats can be a pain, but of course necessary when traveling to colder climates. Here are a few methods for folding jackets. First is this large parka. I lay the parka on a flat surface and zip or snap the front shut. Then I fold it over by 1/3 and move the sleeve so that it is parallel with the fold. Then I take the other side and fold it over the other side and do the same thing with the sleeve. Then starting from the bottom, I roll the jacket up into the hood and pull the hood over the bundle so it creates a contained ball. Here's another example of a puffy coat. This one has no hood, so I use a different method. I lay it flat, zip it up, but this time I create a pouch at the bottom by flipping up the bottom. Then I fold the arms inward parallel to the pouch at the bottom. Next, I fold the entire jacket in half and start rolling from the collar to the pouch. Once you get to the pouch, you invert the pouch to wrap over the bundle. Now it makes a nice little bundle to put in my personal bag. Here is another example of a light jacket. Again, I lay it flat, zip it up, and create a cuff at the bottom. I flip one side over by 1/3, but this time I take the sleeve and flip part of it back up. I flip the other side over and do the same thing with the sleeve. Now I start rolling it from the collar to the pouch and again invert the pouch over the bundle. Since this is a thin jacket, I'm able to condense it into a tight little bundle. Next is the toughest one, a suit coat. I've seen a few tricky methods online, but I think the best method is probably the simplest. Lay the jacket flat on a table and fold it in half so that the front of the jacket is facing out. Don't button it. Line up the seams and smooth out any surfaces. Take the collar and extend it open. Then take the arms and fold them over the jacket so they are parallel to the length of the jacket. Then fold the collar fold again, making sure you don't crimp the collar. And then take the bottom and fold it inside. This makes a small square. If you have the space though, I recommend just folding it in half. The less folds, the better. When you lay it inside your bag, make sure you lay it on a flat surface. Pay special attention to the collar and shoulder pads so that they don't get crumpled. So that's it. I hope these simple tricks help you the next time you pack. And check out my video on how to fold a man's suit coat. I have left a link in the description below. As always, if you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. There are now 2 new resources for senior and solo travelers, the Senior Solo Travel website and Facebook forum. I have left links to both in the description below. I have also left links to other travel advice videos, so check them out. And if you'd like to follow my senior and solo travel journeys, please like and subscribe. Cheers!